Alright, question 6, nearly done, and we're differentiating again. So starting over here, we've got 2x, we've got the product rule going on here, so if we just do a bit of sneaky sideways working, I'm making ux and vy. So popping those in, we've got vu dash would be y, plus uv dash would be x dy dx. This bit again we were in terms of y, so plus 2y dy dx, minus 3 minus dy by dx equals 0. Don't forget to differentiate the 3. Okay, we want the dy by dx for this then, so I'm going to put all the dy by dx's on the right. So on the left we'll be left over 2x plus y minus 3, and on the right I'm going to have positive dy by dx, take away 2y dy dx, take away x dy dx, so factorising that dy by dx out. So dividing across, I get this. Now it looks different to what they've got because I've got the negative on the top and the negative on the bottom. So if we just times by minus 1 over minus 1, which is worth 1, so it won't change the value, we've got 3 minus 2x minus y over x plus 2y minus 1. Okay, so we're trying to find the points where the y value is a maximum, is a minimum and a maximum. So once again, let's set that equal to 0 then, to find minimums and maximums. So we've got 3 minus 2x minus y over x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0, so this gradient equals 0. Rearranging that, we'd multiply this up to get 0, so I've got 3 minus 2x minus y equals 0, so y equals 3 minus 2x. Now if I want to actually find specific coordinates, I know that the maximum and minimum occurs when this is true, but if I want number coordinates, I'm going to have to solve it simultaneously with this one here. So let's do that. So we've got x squared plus x lots of y, so that's x lots of this. At the moment, if I could use this software properly, we could have like a nice video montage. In the meantime, sorry, I'm just going to have to keep doing this by hand. Got 3x squared there, plus 3 minus 12x is minus 9x, minus 12x minus 10x, plus 9, 6, take away another one's plus 3. Okay, so I kind of want to factorise that. You've all got calculators, so go for it. So I probably want that to be 3 and that to be 1. Let's check that. So I've got 3x squared minus x minus 9x is minus 10x plus 3. Yeah. So x is a third and x equals 3. It says points, so we need to know what y is. It's much easier just to find y using this. So we've got a third. 3 take away 2 thirds is 2 and a third, which is 7 thirds. And when x is 3, 3 take away 6 is minus 3. Okay, determine the points on the curve where the tangents are parallel to the y-axis. So if we go back to looking at dy by dx again, which is up here, we know that to get a tangent parallel to the y-axis, we want the gradient to be going straight up So the way we're going to get that is when we've got a 0 on the bottom, because I'll be divided by 0 and will give me an undefined gradient. So let's do that. Let's put the bottom equal to 0, so x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0. Oh, a bit wonky again. So let's rearrange for x equals, I think, x equals 1 minus 2y. Okay, and once again, if we're going to need to find the points of these, we're going to need to substitute back into this and solve simultaneously. So we've got 1 minus, I think this calls for a new line, so we've got 1 minus 2y all squared plus 1 minus 2y lots of y plus y squared minus 3 lots of 1 minus 2y. Take away y, take away 3 equals 0. Again, wish I could do a video montage so you didn't have to watch all of this. Maybe that should be my target for the summer, to learn how. And just sort of whittling on. So we've got 3y squared minus 4y, so that's minus 3y. Plus 3y minus 1 is plus 5y. And 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, does that solve two things at times to make minus 15 with a difference of plus 5? No. Something's gone wrong again. Let's have a look. Sorry, that was 2y. Okay, good, it factorizes again. So 3y and y, that's reassuring. And I want a 5 on that one. 1 on that one. Just double check that. So 3y squared plus 5y minus 3y is 2y minus 5 is nothing. So y is minus 5/3, or y is 1. And we need some x coordinates of this. So let's do that. So if we remember up here, x was 1, take away 2 lots of my y coordinate. So when y is minus 5/3, times that by 2 is plus 10/3. 1 plus 10/3 is 13/3. And the other one, when y is 1, 1 take away 2 is minus 1. And we've got our coordinates.